I love this street. It's happening. Riding a scooter in Vietnam is an ADHD dream come true. Oh, that breeze is so refreshing. Earlier, the only time the breeze was good is if you stopped for 5 minutes and totally started sweating. And then got on the scooter, and then that hot air would actually make you feel cool. Otherwise, it was just like a hot air fan blowing non-stop as you're riding. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, the fan at home, if you don't have the air conditioning on, it sort of blows hot air, but it still feels good. But yeah, that's what this is like. Saturday night, check it out. Holy crap. Oh, it's maybe another fireworks night. Yeah, it must be another fireworks night. There's police out and you don't usually see them. I have to take the bridge to go home. Oh fuck, look at the bridge. Oh, you can't see it, but there's like 400,000 people on it. Oh man. I don't actually want to be out right now. I want to go home. I've been out all day. Wrong direction. Beautiful. But this is an amazing way to watch the fireworks. I usually find them kind of boring, but when I'm doing this at the same time, it's like the fucking ultimate bonus. There we go. Alright, I thought they were over for a second. Fireworks is so absurd. I just absolutely love this. Best fireworks I've ever seen. Honestly, this is so amazing. Never seen so many scooters, and that is saying a lot. Wow, look at this. Oh my Lord.